Hey you guys, I wanted to come on real quick. I have an order to do today, and I wanted to show you guys how I formulate my cosmetics, just because I had an issue with it when I was trying to figure out how it's done, and it turned out to be super easy for me at this point, and now I cannot live without it.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked.
I want to show you guys real quick how I formulate the cosmetics and hope that it helps you out just a little bit if you're looking to make cosmetics or start, or if you make them or whatever. So to begin formulating cosmetics, it's best to know which ingredients specifically you want to go into your body oils or products. I'm making a body oil, so I'm using body oil as a reference, but you have to specifically know which ingredients you want to go in them. For instance, my body oil contains avocado oil and jojoba oil. Those are the two main oils in my body oil. I have a bunch of other ingredients that help, it penetrates your skin, help with the fragrance and things like that, but those are my oils. Those are what we're going to work on. I chose avocado oil specifically because it's great for the skin. It penetrates the skin. It's non-cosmogenic for the skin, so it doesn't sit on top of your skin. It definitely penetrates the skin and uses its healing properties to soften the skin, to protect the skin from UV rays and skin damage outside of the sun and things like that. So I love avocado oil. It's great for my dry skin. I have horrible dry skin, so it's great for that. Is my jojoba oil, and I chose jojoba oil again specifically because it's an anti-inflammatory oil. It also penetrates the skin. It does not clog your pores. It's great for eczema and sensitive skin. It also helps with the dry skin that I have, as well as regulating the oil production in your skin to keep you from being too oily, but it doesn't strip your oil from, or strip the oil from your skin that you actually need. So those are the two oils that I use specifically in my body oils, just because I like them. So we're going to formulate with those two. So for instance, let's say that I want, sorry, that's my notes. Let's say that I want 60% avocado oil just because I love it that much. It's amazing. I need more of it. Then let's say the rest of it's going to be jojoba oil. So the rest of that's 40%. So we're going to do 40% jojoba oil. So of course I need my calculator because I ain't got time for all that. We got paper. Look, so we're going to go to our calculators and say I'm making how much. I have to make a 2-ounce bottle. I don't make a big thing of body oils because they're not ordered a lot on my website. So, and I use my body oils for other things. So I'm only going to make the 2-ounce that I need for this order. So I'm making 2 ounces of the body oil. So 2 ounces is 56 grams, or it's 56.599 or 995 or something like that. So it's 56 grams. I could go to 57. You can go to 57 grams. That's always fine. But I like to leave room in my body oil jars for the topper to go down and it doesn't overfill. So 56 grams is what we're going to go with. So again, let's say we're using 60% of avocado oil. So with our calculator, we're going to go to 60 times, 56, which is the grams, times 60, and then the percent sign, which equals 33.6 grams. So we're gonna use 33.6 grams of avocado oil in our body oil. Then we're gonna do that again with the jojoba oil. And I said we're gonna use 40% jojoba oil. So we're gonna take that 56 again, multiply that by 40%, and that takes us to 22.4. So we're using 33.6 grams of avocado oil and 22.4 grams of jojoba oil. You put those together, make sure you have your scale, you put those together, and they should equal the amount of your body. But quick tip, regarding fragrance oils, you are going to percent the entire amount for your fragrance oil. Most of the time when I first started, I was putting the fragrance percentage in to my recipe that totaled my 100% in order to make the entire product, but you can't do that. What you have to do is create your entire product and then multiply whatever your fragrance percentage is by my 56 gram batch. Now I'm taking, let's say, 1% fragrance for my entire batch. That is what you add into your oil instead of saying that it is 1% of the 100, which is fine, but I've learned that I want 100% of my oil, and then I want to do whatever percentage of that. So of course you have to kind of manipulate the numbers just because you don't want it to go over the 56 grams of oil that you want. But just know that when you want to do your fragrances, you need to multiply that percentage by your entire batch that you're making, instead of just like, it's, you know, it is still 1% of your batch, but just quick tip, just try it out. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.